Welcome to Peggy's Homesteading Adventures. Join Peggy as she explores the beauty of harmony and balance on her homestead, finding peace in nature's rhythms. Peggy stretches gracefully among her garden beds, finding serenity in the morning sun. Peggy constructs a peaceful sanctuary, a place to reflect and connect with the earth. Peggy gathers medicinal herbs and learns how to create natural remedies for her family and animals. The melody of guitars and laughter fills Peggy's homestead, blending harmoniously with the night sounds. Peggy practices mindfulness while tending to her garden. With each movement, she savors the present moment, nurturing her plants with care and attention. Surrounded by bustling stalls, Peggy connects with fellow farmers and appreciative customers. Peggy's barn becomes a canvas for vibrant artwork, showcasing the beauty of the natural world. Neighbors gather under the stars, captivated by stories of Peggy's adventures and homestead life. Peggy guides a curious youngster, planting seeds of inspiration for future generations. As evening settles, Peggy listens to the symphony of nature, feeling at peace with herself and her surroundings. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more of Peggy's homesteading adventures.